Hi everyone, this is Mike Riley and I'm getting you started on WordPress.com for data journalism and digital journalism. To get started, you want to have WordPress.com typed into your browser. And do not click the Get Started button here in the upper right hand corner. It kind of suckers you into doing a paid account by going up there. We're going to set up a free WordPress.com account. So to do that, you have to scroll down the page in WordPress. And you'll get down here, way down on the page, and it'll give you all these business plans down here that you don't care about. You're going to start with a free account. So just hit Start with Free. And it'll take you into this interface and ask you for your email address. So, and this email address is very important because you'll have to go to that email address, log in, and to confirm the account once you set it up before it'll work. You can choose a username. It'll ask you again for this a little bit later. I'm going to name mine Mike Riley Classes. It'll be mikerileyclasses.wordpress.com will be the address that web address that it gives you. This is where you'll store all your homework and projects that you do for class, including your final project. Then choose a password, one that you will remember. If not, put it in your phone contacts or something, someplace you'll be able to save it. And then hit Create Your Account. You're going to do a basic blog, so just select this top portion here, blog. It'll ask you for different topics and things like that. Most of what we're doing is local news stories and things like that. So select local and then hit continue. It gives you a basic look to this, of how the default design will look. You'll be able to change this as we go along by adjusting the themes. So just go ahead and hit continue. It'll ask you to name your blog. I'm going to name mine Mike Riley. And again, you can change this later in settings. Mike Riley Digital Journalism. All of this stuff can be changed later, but it does ask you just to set it up to begin with. Hit continue. Then it asks you for your domain name that you want to use. And this is important. What I suggest you do is type in your name, first and last name, Mike Riley. Or whatever your name is. And then it'll tell you whether or not that name is available. And so your web address will be mikeriley.wordpress.com or whatever your name is, .wordpress.com. So I'm going to name mine since Mike Riley's already taken. I've already got it. Mike Riley Classes. And it should just kick in. You can hit return if you want. And it'll give you, all these different paid versions. It'll say free, but it'll want to upcharge you like $30 or $18 for a second year, but it always gives you at the top this free version. And mine is mikerileyclasses.school.blog. Don't worry about this. It'll actually wordpress.wordpress.com will fill this in as well. Hit select. And again, it'll offer you all these plans that it wants to sell you. You don't fall for it. You go up here and to start with a free site. It'll give you a little pause here as it's kind of setting things up. And it'll drop you into this little basic editor here, which isn't very good. You don't really care about this. What you're going to do is go and work out of the classic editor. And to